Contactless payment cards and mobile payment apps such as Apple Pay or Google Pay can be used to pay for travel on the London Underground. You must tap your card or device at the start of your journey at the entry gates and again at the end at the exit gates. This tutorial outlines the steps. What the system does: the card readers record your entry and exit stations. The system calculates the fare based on the zones traveled through. If you forget to tap out, the system cannot determine your exit point and may charge a maximum fare. Step 1. Tap in at the entry gates. Walk toward the ticket barriers at the station entrance. Locate the yellow card readers on top of the gates. Take your contactless bank card or mobile device with a payment app. Hold it flat against the yellow reader for about 1 second. You will hear a short beep and see a green light. This indicates your card has been accepted and the gates will open. Walk through. Step 2. Travel to your destination. After passing the gates, follow the signs to your platform. Check the direction of your train and wait safely behind the platform line. When the train arrives, board and continue your journey. Nothing else is required while traveling. Your card has already recorded your entry point. Step 3. Tap out at the exit gates. When you arrive at your destination station, walk toward the exit gates. Tap the exact same card or device you used at the start of your journey flat against the yellow reader. Wait for the beep and green light. The gates will open and the system will calculate your fare based on the zones you traveled through. Limitation: you must use the same card or device for both tapping in and tapping out. Switching between cards or devices will result in incomplete journeys and potential penalty fares. If you are using a mobile wallet, ensure the device has sufficient battery and that the default payment card is set correctly. This method is best suited for pay-as-you-go travel without purchasing a physical ticket or Oyster card.